Springdale Public Schools would like to thank the following sponsors: McLarty Daniel, Weikart Griffin, Sam's Furniture, the Arkansas Broadcasters Association, Tyson Foods, and Explore Springdale.
War or peacetime. Past and present members of our Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, and National Guard. We must also show our appreciation for their family members who support them. Many of these brave men and women enlist in the military not to go to war, but out of a sense of pride in our country called patriotism. Others join because of an attack on our country, such as Pearl Harbor or 9/11. Others still join because of the opportunities the military has to offer. But all join knowing that they may be called upon to place themselves in danger. Many have seen combat. Others are serving in countries around the world as peacekeepers or protectors. They stand ready to not only defend our country, but to protect us and others around the world. Veterans Day is a good reminder that while we go about our lives enjoying our freedoms that others around the world can only dream about. There are brave men and women that have our backs every day. We must not forget that Veterans Day should be a day of showing respect and gratitude to our past and present military members and their families. We are a family here at Sonora Middle School, and now I would like to share some slides of veterans in our family. raise the flag for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We're now going to do our moment of silence, and this is a good time to think grateful thoughts for our military members. Thank you.
From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA, where there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say,
At this time, if there is a veteran here today and you have a student, would that student please escort them up here, please? Yes. Mr. Smith, come up here, please. Okay, and if each one of you would just introduce yourself.
I'm Mr. Smith, the science teacher for 6th grade, one of 504th Parachute Infantry Battalion, airborne all the way.
Jamie Ray, Alex Ray's mom, 15 and a half years, active duty Army.
Craig Stevens, Dixie's father, 7 years Army.
Carl Anderson, 20 years Air Force, flying 130 to 141.